Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Geeta. This session is for class 10 mathematics and the chapter 1 real numbers. Today we'll be discussing exercise 1.1 starting from page number 7. So in exercise 1.1 the first sum is use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of 135 and 225. So this is same as the example problems we have discussed earlier. Example 1. Use Euclid's same. So let's try this. So first problem is 135 and 225. So divisor, the bigger number will always be the dividend. So 135 it will be like 1 time 135 subtraction. So it is 90. So since this is not equal to 0, we know A equals to PQ plus R. So what is A? So A, B, Q and R. So what is A? 225 equals B 135 into Q is 1 plus R is 90. So since R is not equals to 0, we have to repeat the same. So 90 and this 135 comes down here. So it becomes the dividend. So 90, 135, 90 again it will be like 1 time. So 90 and the remaining is 45. So since it is not equal to 0, but before that we have to again write this one. 135 equals 90 into 1. 90 into 1 plus the remainder is 45. Since remainder is not equals to 0, again we have to do this. So bring this 90 here. So 45 it will be like 2 times 90. So 0. So now the R becomes 0. Hence the divisor will be the HCF. But still we have tried this one. So 90 equals 45 into 2 plus 0, which means therefore HCF equals 45. Now let's try the second sum. 196 and 38220. 196 and 38220. So again for this, the divisor will be the small number 196 and the dividend will be the bigger number 38220. So 186 it will be like 1 time 196. So subtract this and you will get the answer as 681 and bring this down here and 9 times it will be 1764. So when you subtract this 4 it is 8 and 6 it is 15, so 9 and bring the 0 down here, so 980. In 196 it will be like 5 times, so 3 8 9. So 0. So we got the remainder r equals 0. So since we got the remainder as 0, we are stopping here. And the divisor for getting 0 is 196. So which is obviously the HCF. So you'll write this as 38220 equals, A equals BQ plus R. So A equals B into Q plus R, which is B is 196 into Q is 195 plus R is 0, and HCF equals 196. Now let's try the third sum, 867 and 255. 255. So repeat the same steps. So the smaller number is 255. It will be the divisor. And the bigger number is 867. So in 255, it will be like 3 times 765. So when you subtract this, 2, 6 minus 6, 0 and 1. So this is not equal to 0. But still you have tried this one. A equals B Q plus R. What is A? 867. 867 equals B. 255 into 3. 3 plus R is 102. So 255 into plus. Okay. Now this is not equal to 0. So this 255 comes down here again. So 102 into 255. So 102 it will be like 2 times. So 2 2s are 4, 0, 2. So subtract this 151. And again this is not equal to 0 and write this one. So 255 equals 102 into 2 plus 51. So again this 102 comes down here. 102. So 51 it will be like 2 times. So 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. 102 minus 102 is 0. So since we got R as 0, this will be the HCF. But still we have tried this one. 102. Sorry. 102 equals 51 into 2 plus 0. Therefore, HCF equals 51. So this is how you will solve this first sum. Try these 3 sums. And if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments. And do subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.